There is a vast difference between the Stone Age man who led a nomadic life and the modern man living in the age of science and technology. In the course of thousands of years, early man made some important discoveries, such as making tools, producing fire, use of the wheel, and knowledge of agriculture. This knowledge made his day-to-day life happier and more stable. Later, especially during the last 4 centuries, many inventions were made in different branches of science, such as physiology, astronomy, and physics. Machines and gadgets were developed so that people could use these inventions in their daily life. This made human life more comfortable. The 20th century saw the birth of many inventions that changed human life. The Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. Thereafter, man began to travel across the sky. The speed of travel increased. Man has made planes which can fly with supersonic speed. Due to the progress in this field, different countries of the world are linked today with air routes. Man used these inventions for good purposes as well as bad. In the Second World War, planes were used for the first time for dropping bombs on enemy territory on a large scale. Therefore, in this war, there was a large-scale destruction of life and property. Atomic science. Atomic energy came to be used for the generation of electricity. Today, atomic science is extensively used in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases, agricultural research, etc. However, atomic energy was also used for destructive purposes. America used the atom bombs against Japan in the Second World War. Thousands of people died in this, and many were permanently disabled. Space research. The invention of rockets gave impetus to space research. With the help of rockets, artificial satellites could be launched. With the help of satellites, accurate forecasting of weather, measurement of forest areas of the earth, prediction of natural calamities, and many other things have become possible. It has also facilitated telecommunication between different countries of the world. With the launching of artificial satellites and space shuttles, it is now possible to study the planets and their satellites. Now, let us gather information about information technology. One of the greatest inventions of the 20th century is the invention of computers. It has revolutionized human life. Computer technology is used for diagnosis of diseases, scientific research, booking plane and railway tickets, maintaining office and other records, and many other things. With it, one can ensure accuracy and efficiency in office work and control production processes in factories. The recently developed Internet has made it very easy to exchange information. Access to different websites has made it possible to obtain up-to-date information on any subject. A student of history can visit these websites with the help of a computer and look for the information needed. Apart from the inventions mentioned above, X-ray technology, robotics, heavy vehicles like tractors, genetic research, development of high-quality seeds, ultra-modern telecommunication, and mobile technology have opened up new horizons for human progress and development. All these facilities should, however, be used with great caution and restraint. Otherwise, many problems may arise. Pollution, violence, terrorism, increase in crime, violation of human rights are some of them.